You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.